Royal Highness Princess Elizabeth, Duchess of Edinburgh, was safely delivered of a prince.
Faith and truth I will bear unto thee, to live and die against all manner of foes.
It's quite exciting. It's always a sense of achievement. There are a hell of a lot of young people out there who have fantastic ideas. How do we enable them to develop that?
And I suppose in love.
Of course.
Whatever in love means.
Yes.
Does he look like you, sir?
No, he's lucky enough not to.
This stark document severing the ties once and for all.
The car was being chased by press photographers on motorcycles when the crash occurred. Are you very happy, sir? Are you very happy?
It's wonderful for the grandfather. He's brilliant with children.
Prince Andrew categorically denies having sexual relations with Virginia Roberts.
Your Royal Highness, can I ask your view on your brother's position, Prince Andrew?
The Duke and Duchess of Sussex will step back as senior royals.
I did not have any understanding of just what it would be like.
I try to warn you as much as possible. My lords and